is that it's still at that point where we don't have a ton of mosquitoes out there.
Right.
We're starting to get the gnats, I will say that, but we don't have a ton of mosquitoes out there. So, yeah, when you get a nice day, get out there and enjoy it. Sadly, we don't have a whole lot of nice days on the way.
No.
We're talking about the next cool down on the way, which maybe will put those bugs at bay. But it is Severe Weather Awareness Week, so let's talk about lightning. Now, I want to start off and say just because a storm has lightning does not make it severe. Having said that, though, lightning can be very dangerous. So let's talk about kind of how it forms, what it is, what it does. All right, so you start off and you have a charge separation in the cloud. Electrons, they kind of begin to zigzag, though, down out of the cloud. It's something known as a step leader. Now, as things happen, well, the positive charge starts to move upward a little bit, and before you know it, that leader and that streamer, they're going to merge, and you have that electrical current that flows, and bam, that's when you get the return stroke, and this is actually traveling at right around 60,000 miles a second. And the crazy thing is, all this happens over and over, and this literally takes less than a second to happen. And also, too, lightning, 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 5 times hotter than the sun. So when you have that rapid warming and then cooling, that channel in the atmosphere, that creates that shock wave that we hear as thunder. So there you are. So we have different types of lightning, too. You can have cloud to sky. That happens every now and then. Cloud to cloud, not out of the question, but uncommon. Very rare to have ground to cloud lightning. You can have that cloud to ground lightning, pretty common, and very common intra-cloud lightning, intra-cloud lightning, rather, where it kind of travels throughout the storm. You can also have cloud to ground positive stroke lightning, which kind of comes out of the top part of the storm. That is actually very dangerous because A, it's stronger. They're very rare. B, though, they happen typically in clear air, so you won't really have a whole lot of clouds out there. They're called bolts from the blue. They just kind of strike out of nowhere. And again, I mentioned it at 5 o'clock, that old song by Fleetwood Mac, Thunder Only Happens When It's Raining. Not necessarily true. You can have a bolt from the blue, so there you are. But again, I will say it again, players do only love you when they're playing. Here's what we're looking at, though, outside. You can see we're watching those clouds roll on through here. Temperatures in the mid-40s, not too bad out there. Actually, low to mid-40s across the area. None of us in the 30s, none of us in the 50s anymore either. So we've got a nice mild start to the day for this time of year. And as you take a look outside at the wind chill factor, we've got the mid to upper 30s and low 40s for those real feel temperatures. So yeah, where the wind blows, you can definitely feel it. Outdoor workers, you'll still see those temperatures drop a couple degrees before we start to rebound. Should be up to about 47 by 10 o'clock with that hour-by-hour forecast, 51 by lunchtime. Notice we've got the clouds out there. We'll call it mostly cloudy to overcast with a high of 56. Average high this time of year right around 55. We'll get a few more breaks in the clouds getting into the afternoon. Right now, fairly dry out there. A couple of sprinkles can't be ruled out here or there. And as we head through the day today, I'm not going to rule out a passing shower, but for the most part, a lot of it's going to be dry most of the time, dealing with a little more cloud cover than sunshine as well. Here are your weather headlines. A cooler afternoon. Passing showers can't be ruled out. Cooler over the weekend. We're looking at a high in the upper 30s on Sunday. We're going to be stuck in the 40s, really upper 30s, low 40s over the weekend. So right around 46 degrees by 9 o'clock. You can see we have the cloud cover out there. Your hour-by-hour forecast has us at 51 degrees. By lunchtime, we end up with a high of 56. Tonight, though, we're on our way down to 39 with a few passing clouds. A cooler night out there. 48 tomorrow, much cooler. A little late-day rain can't be ruled out. So as we head through the day today, again, fairly dry. Again, I'm not going to rule out a passing shower later on today. Most of it's going to be okay on that front. You can see as we head through the overnight hours, some cloud covers are going to be, will be with us. And then the chance for rain kind of picks up late tomorrow with some passing showers and kind of breezy conditions on Saturday. Saturday does not look like the best day by any means. Probably kind of a nasty day out there. But anyway, we're looking at 56 today, 48, late day rain tomorrow. Could see a quick mix early on Saturday, then some light showers, 43. 39, sunnier, but 39 on Sunday, 40 by Monday, 45 on Tuesday. Chance for some more rain. This part of the forecast still evolving, so keep checking back. But Tuesday into Wednesday with some lingering showers on Thursday possible. But we are back into the 60s by the end of the 10 days, so we'll take that. But it's going to be a little bit cooler over the next couple of days.